Welcome back. Now news from sports. Indian Olympic Association General Secretary Raja Ranbir Singh has asked all the federation to take the Lusophonia Games seriously and has expressed concern over infrastructure. Ecolab delegation had asked Goa authorities to obtain green signal from all 10 sporting federations related to disciplines in Lusophonia Games 2013 before starting infrastructure work. GOA General Secretary Gurudat Bhakta along with SAG official led by Elvis Gomes met with IOA official a few days ago in Delhi. The Game Secretariat, which will be set up any time now, will accommodate a member from each federation.
The date of 2nd November 2013, which is the time when Goa hosts the Games, is drawing near, and sporting authorities in the state are gearing up to satisfy the Ecolab delegation, who will meet in 15 days' time to decide Goa's fate to play hosts. As such, with this visit by Goan officials to Delhi, the national federations have promised support to Goa to host the Games.
And the technical aspect will be handled by the national federation. And so we have to make it a success. Only thing that's worrying me is about your infrastructure, because I think the Portuguese Olympic Committee has sent a letter in the name of the President, and they all worried that would your infrastructure be ready on time. So you must make sure that you are ready on time, and don't try and make it too elaborate so that you are not ready. So whatever is possible, idea is to go ahead with the Games and make it a success. And with your hospitality and the way Goa presents everything, and how well you've done everywhere, and the festivals and everything, so I'm sure it will be a great success, and I'd like to wish you all the best. But the Games will depend on how the national federations conduct it, and with the support to the Olympic Committee in Goa as well as the government.
That meeting was convened under the aegis of IOA, wherein all the 10 federations were invited, and these are the federations of which the disciplines, the Lusophonia Games, there will be competitions on that. Ecolab had insisted that we hold this meeting before we go for infrastructure development, and we are in the process of tendering these days. So we wanted to take the inputs from them and show them the concept plan which we have made for development of the infrastructure. We have noted whatever suggestions they have given, which will be incorporated in the tender document. Besides that, as far as the organization is concerned, that also was discussed, and providing the officials at the right time, and the conduct of the games. And shortly, when the game secretariat is established, we will be taking representatives from each of these federations in that.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Dinesh Karpe with Bureau Inputs.
Sesa Football School will provide football training to under 14 boys with an aim of giving them the basic of being good human beings above all. Whether these boys turn out to be footballers of repute is secondary, but molding the youngsters into good citizens is the key for Sesa. The program of Sesa Football School includes practical and theoretical training for 2 years under the experienced Sesa personalities like Brahmanand Sangwayakar.
Managing Director of Sesa Goa Limited P.K. Mukherjee launched the Sesa Football School on Tuesday evening at Sirsai. A total of 28 boys from adjacent areas of Bicholi, Thivi and Sirsai have been inducted into the first batch. Mukherjee says that if the boys turn out to be good enough for Sesa, they will continue in their higher academies.
And from junior academy, as you know, we give the first option for them to migrate to a senior academy, so that this process will continue. So in case any of these boys continue with us, so next 6 years they will be with us in any case, and thereafter in the senior academy, of course, they now as a professional player, so it is up to them how long they will stay with us.
Arjuna awardee and administrator of Sesa Football Academy Brahmanand Shankwalkar highlighted the importance of nurturing the boys to become good citizens.
They should be good people in life. They should be disciplined players in the field. So all this aspect, and we'll develop in such a way that what we require them in the junior academy in 2014, they'll be readily available to us. Maybe most of them may make it up, maybe all of them may make it up. So it will be easier job for us that the concept which is required there, they will be knowing right now, and they will be better product while they enter the academy. And today what happened, everybody has started developing under 15, under 14 players like Salongas, Dampos, Churchill Brothers, Sporting Club, Vasco Sports Club, all are doing. So players are diversified. And everybody needs some players at a young age. Right? If you are under 15, everybody will just have a selection and make the players make a team. So there is one way you can do it. But second way, if you develop the boys of 12 years, so you will readily available the best possible players you can recruit when you want to have under 14 or under 15 team.
Product of Sesa FA, Adil Khan was felicitated by Mukherjee for having played for India. Our reporter from Sirsai, Uday Parab.
Don't worry, if you've missed this bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.